This is the bottom, as you can see, because we've got the hole here where our tap came out, and we're going to cut this off neatly with our cut saw. We're going to cut right through here, just above there, and this one we're going to cut through here. So we'll get busy and we'll do that now. So we're going to use this to deburr the edges of the metal so we don't have sharp edges to cut our hands off. Now that's great, we've taken all the burrs off and all the sharp edges off, but while doing that we've destroyed our galvanised coating. So we want to just touch that up before we go any further, and we can set that aside to dry.